This is kind of a really cool time. You know, the cost of something is what you give up to get it. And all of us have put a lot into the Willamette, to these pipelines, and to this project, and into each other, and to supporting each other. All of us have really worked very hard on this, bringing our initiative, adaptability, resilience. It's been a long time. Our intelligence, our grit, our effort, early mornings, late nights, especially the field crews through all conditions. It's really amazing what we've done to get here. I'm just really grateful for all of you, and it's important that we celebrate this.